Hi guys, how are you all? I hope all you are doing good. In today's video, I am going to discuss conditional statements. These are the main part in our JavaScript. We have some more other topics which were important, but coming to these conditional statements, it plays a major role in our projects. If we want to evaluate some email addresses or something some statements, it is very essential to learn these conditional statements in JavaScript. Now I'm going to discuss about conditional statements in JavaScript. The JavaScript if else, in not only in JavaScript, whatever the programming languages we take, the conditional statements we have if statements. Okay, the JavaScript if else statement is used to execute the code whether condition is true or false. There are three forms of if statements in JavaScript. In JavaScript we have three types of if statements. First one is if statement, second one is if else statement, third one is if else if statement. First of all, I am going to tell about if statement. For this, I took one small HTML program. In this program, we are going to execute our JavaScript by using internal JavaScript with script tag. Okay, it's so long, right? I want to reiterate one point. In how many ways we can add a JavaScript to our program? We have two ways, right? Internal and external. In internal, we are going to use a script tag. By using this script tag, we are going to add our JavaScript, right? Uh, in external programming, we are going to take one other program which we are going to save that program by using .js uh, extension. In that we are going to write a JavaScript program. After that we are going to add that JavaScript program to our HTML program by using link tag, right? Link relation is equal to script, and after h reference is equal to that JavaScript program name, right? File name. So here I am using internal JavaScript by using script tag. Okay, first I am going to tell about if statement. Okay, now here I am going to tell about if statement. Right? In this if statement, we have one syntax. First, I want to tell that syntax. First, we are having some other Okay. In this, we are having first some statements in our program. Wait. Okay. First, I want to draw layout. Wait, I will tell some. See, here we have one diagram. In this symbol indicates some statements before the if condition. Right? Next, here this one indicates if condition. Next, this one, inside if condition statements. After if condition statements. Okay. See, first of all, we are going to execute whatever the statements before if condition. Next, if the condition the program will check the statement with the condition which were present in if statement is true or false. If it is true, if it is true, the statements which were inside the if condition are going to execute, right? If it is false, see here I will take it will skip the if the statements which were present in if condition, and it's going to take the conditions after if condition statements, the statements which were present after the if condition, right? In this way, it's going to work in JavaScript. Not only in JavaScript, whatever the programming language which we take, it's going to execute like this only. Now I'm going to take one example. Here I have taken okay, first I'm going to run this program. See, here we got hello, welcome to our channel. Because I wrote this statement in H3, right? So that's why it printed. Now I'm going to take one variable. Variable a is equal to some value 40, right? Here I am going to print document dot write of. I want to print a. Okay. Next, I want to take one condition. Here I am going to use if of. Syntax for this if condition is if of braces condition. A, we have conditional operators, right? Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, is equal to. All those were discussed in our previous videos. If you were not gone through that videos, please go to that videos, and after took the see this video, it will be helpful for you to understand these conditional statements. If a greater than 20, after that we have to use flower braces. In the flower braces, we are going to take some statements. Document dot write of a is greater than or 20, right? Okay. Next, Now I'm going to check this program. See, first what we have print a value, right? Here we have print a value first. Next, after it's going to check the condition which were present in if statement, right? Here a greater than 20. Here what the value of a what 40. 40 greater than 20. It is true. So it will enter into if condition and it is going to execute the statements which were present in if condition, right? Document dot write of a is greater than 20. Here this statement is printed. See, first we print 40 and a is greater than 20, right? And this way it's going to take if statement. Next, I want to tell about if else statement. In this if else statement, okay, after this I'm going to print document dot write of hello. See, we got hello also, right? Whatever it indicates means first it's going to check the statements which were present in if condition. It will print the statements. Next, it's going to check the if condition. If the condition which were present in if statement, if it's true, it's going to implement the statement which were present in if condition. If it is true, if it is true or false, later it's going to take the statements which were present in outside the if condition, right? Is it clear, right? Even if it's false, it's going to print this statement also. See, now I'm going to take a less than 20, right? Here 40 less than 20. It's false, right? See, we got 40 and hello. It printed the a value. Next, it checked the condition. It is false. That's why it doesn't enter into the if condition. Next, it printed hello after the if condition statement, right? Next, I'm going to implement if else statement. For this if else, it is also simple. See, in this we are going to get one more point in if else statement. It works like first it's going to take statements which were present before the if condition. Later, it's going to check the if condition. If it is true, it will enter into if condition. The statements which were present in if condition will be executed. later after the if condition statements will be executed. If it is false, here we go. Here we get some more point. If it is false, it's going to check. It's going to take the statements which were present in else not condition, else statement. Here we won't have any condition in this else. The condition in if statement is false, then it will directly execute the statements which were present in else statement, right? Later it's going to take the statements which are present in if after if condition. Okay, now I will execute this program only. Else, here we want as I mentioned before, in this else statement we won't get any condition. Document dot write off here a is less than 20. Here a is not less than 20. Okay, see, we got a is not less than 20 because it checked the condition. If the if condition, here a is less than 20, that means 40 is less than 20. It's false, right? It won't enter into if condition, if statements. That's why it enters into else statement, and the statement which were present in else, it's going to print, right? Here we have a is not less than 20 in else, so we got a is not less than 20. Okay, in this way it's going to get if else statement. Next, if else if statement. For this we will get if a condition. Next, if else condition. Next, for this we can check more than two expressions, two conditions in one program only. We will check two more than two conditions in one program by using if else statement conditions, right? Here I will check one more condition. I have checked that a is less than 20. Here I checked a is less than 20 or not. Okay. Next I want to check a is greater than 40. Not 40. 50. It's also work like if condition only, but for to check more than one condition we are going to use this if else if statement, right? I will say for of document dot write of a is not 50. I will take that. Okay. See, here we got a is greater than 30. Now I will explain how it works. First, it's going to check the condition which were present in if statement. A is less than 20. The condition 40 is less than 20. It's false. Then it will enter into else if condition. A is greater than 30. 40 is greater than 30, right? It's true. Then it's going to enter into the statements which were present in else if condition. Here we wrote A is greater than 30. It will be printed, right? It won't check else statement here. If the condition which were present in else if also false, then it's going to print the statements which were present in else condition. See, A is not there, not less than 20. We got the output in else statement, right? It will check the condition in if it is false. It is going to check the condition which were present in else if it's also false. We can write many conditions in this way by using else if conditions, right? Next, it's going to take the else statement. It's going to check all the conditions. If the conditions which are present in if or else if are false, it's going to print the statement which are present in else statement. That's all about conditional statements. We also have switch statement in this conditional statements. The Java. Now I'm going to discuss switch statement in this JavaScript. The JavaScript switch statement is used to execute one code from multiple expressions. Okay. Syntax for this Java for this switch statement is switch of expression. In this we are going to use case value 1, value 2, like that. Okay, I will explain this switch statement by using some example. First, I'm going to take some value where value is equal to C. Okay. Next, I'm going to take some other variable. I have declared that variable. Later, I will use this variable. Now, I'm going to use switch statement. Switch of value. I will explain this one later. Case A. A result is equal to case B. Okay. Here we are going to take one variable where value is equal to c. I have taken one variable value. I have assigned that c to variable value. Next, I have taken one more variable and I have not initialized that one. I only declared that one. Next, I'm going to check the conditions. Right? Switch of value. What the value? C. Value value for this value variable what? C. Here we will get C. Switch off C. This C is going to indicate the case value. For this case value, here we have case A. Case A is in this switch value we have C. It's not matching. So we are going to check another case. Case B. Here we have C. No, it's not going to match. Next we are going to check another case. Case C. We have value for this variable is C. No, it's going to be match. That's So the statements which were present in case C is going to be executed. Result is equal to C grade. I have assigned this string to result. Later, I am going to print this result. Here we have default value also, right? This default value, how it will work means it will going to check all the cases. If the value is doesn't match, then it's going to be print the statement which were present in this default statement. Okay. Now I am going to execute this one. See, no grade. We got a no grade. Why? Here we have to use a break for why means we have to check this case. If it's matched, then it won't go to another case. It want to break then and there only. So we are going to use this break statement in this case. Okay. Next, I will going to check. See, here we got C grade. Right? The case value match with a value variable. So it's going to print the result is equal to C grade, which were assigned to result. So it's going to print the value. Okay. If I have taken this case value as D. Now I'm going to check. See, we got no grade because the value which were present in a switch condition is not matching with this case value. That's why it got a default value. Okay. How I will tell how it will work in overall. First of all, it's going to check it's going to take some value in switch condition. After that, it's going to check the value which were present in case statement is matched with this value which were present in switch condition. If it match with this statement, this value, it's going to be execute the statements which were present in that case value. If it doesn't match any of the cases which were present in switch statement, it's going to be print the statements which were present in default value. This is a simple one. In this way, we are going to get switch conditions. That's all about conditional statements. In next video, I'm going to tell loops. These are also important in JavaScript. So stay tuned. That's all about today's video. Thank you.